You are watching this video because your ex-partner has invited you to come to family mediation. What is really important to remember is that as a mediation firm, we are impartial. So just to make it clear, we don't represent anyone. We are here to help you and your ex-partner get things sorted. We know for some people our telephone call or email can be a bit of a shock. This reaction is not unusual, but we ask you to just take a few minutes to watch this video before making a decision. You may be asking yourself, why is my ex asking me to attend mediation? This is maybe because communications have become difficult between you or have broken down. Family mediation is here to support you in discussing your children or finances. Before making a decision, here are some of the benefits of family mediation. It reduces conflict, helps you and your ex-partner focus on the needs of your children, improves your family life, supports communication. It's usually quicker and cheaper than going to court, avoids long and painful legal proceedings, and it puts the decision-making in your hands. Because you are considering mediation, it is important to know what the first stage is. During a telephone conversation with one of our team, you will be asked if you are privately paying or if you are eligible for legal aid. Legal aid helps people who are either on low incomes or on benefit. Following this, you will then choose a date and a time to have your MIAM. This stands for Mediation Information and Assessment Meeting. This will last between 45 minutes and an hour and can be carried out in person or online. Your MIAM will be conducted by an accredited family mediator. Please remember that at the MIAM, only you will be attending. Your ex-partner will not be there. They will have a separate meeting. During the MIAM, you will give your personal information, talk about the mediation process, and also discuss what issues you would like to talk about. If you want to see the MIAM form our mediators complete, then visit our website and you will find it under Policies. Many people worry that the mediator will pass on information to their ex-partner. This does not happen. Mediation is a confidential process, so what is said in the mediation room stays in the mediation room. In the meeting, the mediator will listen to what you say, and based on this, will decide if mediation is an appropriate means of resolving the situations you face. You will be told either during the meeting or very soon after by email if mediation is suitable or not. You may also decide yourself that mediation is something you don't want to take part in. If this is the case, please let the mediator know during the MIAM. One question that comes up is what happens if I refuse the invitation to attend a MIAM? This is your choice, as mediation is a voluntary process. However, you may have to explain to magistrates or a district judge why you decided not to go if your ex-partner makes an application to court. If the mediator says that your case is suitable for family mediation, they will take dates and times that you're available to attend. It is really important to give priority to the appointments as you would a court date. During your MIAM, your mediator will tell you about the two different types of mediation, shuttle and face-to-face. If your mediator says that shuttle will be used, you will both be given different arrival times and possibly told to enter the building at different entrances for your appointment. You will also have separate waiting areas, so you will not see or have any contact with your ex-partner. During the mediation, you'll be put in your own rooms and the mediator will go between them, discussing proposals put forward. At the end of the mediation session, you will leave the building at different times so that there is no need for you to meet with your ex-partner. Face-to-face mediation is where you, your ex-partner, and the mediator sit together at a table to discuss the issues you are having. However, before the start of the mediation, you'll be asked to sit in separate waiting areas. A frequent question we are asked is how many mediation sessions will it take to sort problems out? There is no real answer for this. It really depends on how you and your ex-partner work together during the mediation sessions. On our website, we have lots of information about the mediation process and also a blog which has many interesting articles. We hope this video has helped you in making your choice, and whatever your decision, we wish you and your family all the very best for the future.